Greetings from Paralia, Glaros, or another name for the beach, Aegean Apostoli, based on the church that's on that small peninsula over there. And it's not the first time on this beach for me. I already was here 3 days ago and made 2 episodes. But yeah, now it's another day, a new day, and a sunny day. However, super windy, as you can see from the flag of Greece that is waving right here. So, day 6 of my Hania adventures. It is 25th of April. Wonderful Thursday, and we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air, and in the sea, satellite measurement, it's 18.1 degrees. So perfect for a beach adventure, except if it wasn't too windy. But there is nobody on the beach. The beach is like 1 kilometer long at least, and I made a separate video for 4K beach walk along the whole beach, so you can see that one as well. But yeah, it is then time for beach adventures here in Paralia, Glaros. For the 3rd time I am on this beach. And interesting fact is that just 50 meters away on the other side there is another beach that's called Iguana Beach. Or they mentioned also on Google Maps as Aegean Apostoli Beach, which is not true because these 2 beaches can't be the same. But yeah, it is a different beach as it is on the other side, and probably there is less wind over there. So I'm gonna check that out right away when I'm done with this beach, because it's too windy. Up to 40 kilometers per hour is the wind today. So yeah. Anyway, day 6, as I mentioned. I just can't believe they're on the beach. 3 days ago it was cool, but then also it was a weekend. But yeah, it's still good for me to take a swim here. And it looks quite nice actually there, with all the trees over here at the beach, as well as the waves that are running. And I already know the entry here is super sandy, so that is amazing. Here with me as I pull my sunglasses in, so they don't get thrown away by the wind. And yeah, from this point we have around 4 kilometers to Khania, and almost the same to Aegean Marina, where I came from today. I was walking along the coast and I can see Aegean Marina coast and beach over there. Quite interesting. Let's go in, look at that, look at the water, it's super amazing. Beautiful. I just love that you have this nice view of the coast, of the nearby island, and also this look here. It's amazing. Woohoo! Okay, let's go in a bit more. Really not sure if you are going to be able to hear me. I'm gonna do some magic with the editing. So let's see, because the wind is too strong right now. I'm also shouting, but yeah. I don't think that helps, but it's wind like this. But it's actually perfect weather for windsurfing, and I see some people that are doing that on the beach. Woo! Amazing! Okay, let's dive in. Ah! Woo! So nice! I love it. Look at the color of the water, isn't it amazing? Yes, it is 2:30 p.m. right now, the middle of the day, when the sun is the highest here in Crete, on Crete. Amazing, amazing. Oh my god, I'm gonna enjoy here before it's so loud. It's so pretty. But I'm gonna wrap up this episode right now. The main part actually. So thank you so much for watching. Greetings from Paralia, Glaros, Aegean Sea, in Hania, Crete, Greece. And see you soon again with another adventure on my channel. Future Adventures with Greece!